We'll guide you through how to save your chat in Blackbox AI. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to save important conversations from Blackbox AI for future reference. Many users need copies of chats for study materials, project documentation, or work reports. This guide helps them understand the exact steps to download and store their chat history safely on their device. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads on your computer. Once the browser is ready, click Search on your Google Chrome browser by selecting the address bar at the top of the window so you can type a website address. Next, type blackbox.ai carefully into the address bar to access the official website. Then, press Enter on your keyboard to begin loading the site. Once completed, you will automatically be taken to the Blackbox AI website homepage. Next, click Home in the upper right corner to make sure you are on the main page of the site. Then, click Sign in the upper right corner to begin the login process. Enter your email address in the field provided, making sure you type it correctly. Then, enter your password in the field provided carefully to avoid typing mistakes. Click Login to enter your account, and wait until the dashboard appears fully on your screen. After logging in successfully, click History in the upper left corner to view your previous conversations. A list of your past chats will appear on the screen. Next, select the chat you want to save by clicking on it so the full conversation opens. Make sure you choose the correct chat before continuing to the next step. Once the selected chat is open and displayed completely, click the download icon to begin saving the conversation to your device. The system will automatically start the download process, so wait a few moments while the file is being prepared. The chat will automatically download without requiring additional confirmation in most cases. Once the download is complete, the file will be automatically saved to your device, usually in your default downloads folder.